Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. First of the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. In case you guys want to learn the strategies, if you guys want to learn, have access to the indicators, right? Have access to just, basically everything, right? Somebody asked me, somebody from YouTube asked me to do a real quick TA on RIVN. I think the last time I did TA on RIVN, I said it was going to go up. I still think it's going to go up. I think it just started going up. Last time that we had a weekly trigger, right? We went from 15 bucks all the way to around 24 bucks, right? We actually ended up crossing 4 channels, right? And from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I could definitely for right now see at least a push to around 1577, right? Or at least to that next major channel. So I do think that as of right now, because you did cross back in a channel, right? This is essentially a retest on channel, right? Right here, you broke to the upside. I do think that as of right now, you are headed towards 15 bucks, right? Because everything is so bearish on the QQQ, I would wait, right? I mean, obviously you would have to have the indicators, but I would wait to see how this 4-hour reacts, right? Because these 4 hours, right, have been pretty accurate on RIVN, right? The last time you actually went bearish on RIVN, you dropped 2 channels, right? Yeah, usually you're dropping 2 channels. I would take the long though. I mean, if you're gonna swing this, I'd probably swing this to the upside, right? And just have your stops right under 1224 because that's the recent low. But I think as of right now, because you did break to the upside, right? This looks like a channel retest, right? You broke up, came down. It looks like it's going to be a channel retest of $15. And do I need to do my... Nah, channels still look good for the most part. Yeah, channels still look good. So I don't think I need to redo my channels. The channels still look pretty decent. So as of right now, I do think that RIVN is headed towards 15 bucks, right? Which is that next mid channel. And then if this breaks here a little bit more to the upside, then we can go to like 17, like 30 and stuff, right? But as of right now, I do think RIVN is headed towards like a $15 stock price. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.